Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you remove dark spots, black spots, hyperpigmentation, and get rid of dark patches on your skin. If you do have pimples, scars, dark pimples, scars, or black spots on your skin and you want to get rid of it, this magical remedy is for you. It works and it gives an amazing results. From first use you will notice a great results and you will get milky fair skin, even toned skin naturally, spotless skin with very simple ingredients at home, and you will see the results from first use. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it, and you will get so many beauty tips from me, so make sure to subscribe. The first ingredient we need in a clean mixing bowl, we need to add 1 teaspoon of rice flour, يعني كتشافة الكاتة. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Then, my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, then we need to add a magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And now, my friends, mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. We need to get a thick cream paste. Once you get this thick cream paste, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin and leave it on your skin for 15 minutes, and then wash it with lukewarm water followed by cold water, and my friends, the result will amaze you from first use. You can also apply it just on the dark spots like so. If you do have the dark spots, apply it on it like that. It's creamy and it's super effective in getting rid of dark spots, black spots, and hyperpigmentation, and the result will amaze you, my friends.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.